Hello everybody, here's my latest commission. It's a bit unusual. The man who commissioned it, Christian, it's his partner Lynn's three favourite things: a lobster, their dog and a camel. Don't ask. The dog and the camel are single fusions, and I think the camel is probably the most complex single fusion I've ever made. Andrew thinks it's the best single fusion I've ever made. The lobster is the pimento red that I've used a lot, and it's complementary to this particular turquoise. That's why it's singing out so well. Nice andamento in the background, emphasising them all. I'm calling it a triptych because there's 3 in 1, but it's not 3 panels, it's just 1 panel. Anyway, let's hope she likes it, because if she doesn't, I don't know who else is going to want it. As usual, I've written a verse, which I think explains it better than all of that, and it goes like this. Lynn's loves. Of all the things of which Lynn raves, these 3 fellas are her faves. Larry the lobster, Dave the pooch, and Diego the camel, who she loves so mooch. And when you add up all of this, it's a wonder she has time for Christian.